Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Dominion for real. Okay, in this channel we talk about cryptocurrency trading, we talk about airdrop, we talk about legit way to make money online. All right, you are welcome. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, like and share this video, comment in the comment section. You can even drop your own question in the comment section and your own thought. All right, so in this video I am going to show you how to make your first $500 in crypto with just $5. Okay, with just $5, how to make your first $500 in crypto with your $5. Okay, if you are new in crypto, if you are a beginner and you are just coming into the crypto space, this video is for you. Okay, so you have to listen to this video, watch this video to the end, and follow every step I'm about to show you in this video. All right, first of all you need to do, you have to download CoinMarketCap. This application is called CoinMarketCap. All right, so you have to get this app, download the app, install it in your phone so that you use it to get started. All right, so in the CoinMarketCap application, CoinMarketCap enable you to check and track newly listed tokens, most especially tokens that are not yet on centralized exchanges. Okay, some newly launched tokens are mainly on DEX, decentralized exchange, before they will be pushed to centralized exchange. Okay, just imagine people who invested early in WikiCats back then, when WikiCat was very early, with just $5. Today they are making a lot of money. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you where you can easily locate new coins, new tokens. Okay, because new tokens are being launched on CoinMarketCap on a daily basis. So just follow me step by step. You have to come to this place, click this search engine, just tap on it. After tapping on it, just sweep this place. You see this place, just sweep it like this, sweep it to your left. You can come over to this place that says recently added. Okay, come over to this place that says recently added, click on it. So when you click on it, you can see this, all these coins, they are new. Okay, all these coins are new. All right, so we are going to choose this one, this X money. We are going to select this one. This one is pumping. So another thing you need to do after choosing a coin like this, make sure you copy the contract address of this particular token. Okay, copy the contract address, go to your Gecko terminal or DEX screener, paste the contract address in that place so that you will know the full details of that coin, so that you will know the numbers of holders, so that you will know if the liquidity is locked, okay, the duration of the lock, okay, so that you will know how many people are holding that token. You will know the market cap, you will know the trading volume of that token, so that you will not end up buying a wrong token. Okay, remember this video is a tutorial, okay, for the beginners. It is not a financial advice, please. So we are going to copy the contract address. Okay, we are just going to tap on it. Just tap on it. So we have tapped on it. Then for you to see the contract address, click over to this place again. Then just type X money. Okay, so you can see it here in a DEX scan. It is here. You can see the DEX scan. See it, look at it here. So just tap on it. Fine. Okay, so you can see This is the original contract address of this token. So let me tell you something. This token has 12 zeros. You can see it here. It has 12 zeros. Now let me tell you, if you invest $5, in this token with this 12 zero, okay, the market cap is 42,000. It is still early, it is still low. Okay, if you invest $5 in this token, when this token cancels some zeros, your $5 would automatically skyrocket to $500. Yes, it is possible in this space. It is possible. I am opening your eyes to see what you need to know in crypto. All right. Okay, so just scroll down. You can see people are buying, people are also selling. You can see the buy order. You can see the selling. The buying is more than the selling. People are bagging this token. So if you enter with your $5 with this kind of token, okay, it is possible for you to make your $500 when this token cancel like 3-4 zeros. Remember what happened in the time of WikiCats. Okay, how do you know if the token is safe? Just click on this place that says safe. Just tap on it. Okay, here you can see buy tax tick, sell tax is tick, contract, whitelist restrictions not found, cooling off restriction not found, blacklist not found. Everything is ticked. Then click on this trading, this one. Just tap on that one, trading, honeypot not found. Click on the fraud. That is how you check the token details. Click on the fraud. Everything is green. All right, so we are still going to use that same contract address and check it in our Gecko terminal. Don't worry. Okay, so we are going to copy the contract address. Just tap on copy. So we are going to head over to our Gecko terminal application. For the newbies, if you want to purchase any meme coin, this is the step you need to take so that you will not end up losing your money. Okay, so let us go to our Gecko terminal application. All right, so here in our Gecko terminal application, we are going to come over to this place. Just tap on this search engine, then come over to this place and paste the contract address you copied from CoinMarketCap, the contract address of that token, the token you want to purchase. Paste it there. Allow it to load and relax. Allow it to load. Okay, here in the Gecko terminal application, you can see we pasted the contract address and this is the result we got. All right, look at the liquidity. The liquidity is, this key is locked. I think you can see it. The key is locked. You see it here. Then you can see the trading volume, 24 hours trading volume, $3,000. This token was launched 4 days ago, 4 days 9 hours. That is why if you invest your $5, you are very, very early, because more people will invest in this token. Okay, you can see it here. It is just 4 days and 9 hours. So we are going to check the numbers of holders here. So we are going to click on this place, the holders. Click on the holders, then we are going to search it in. We're going to go to BSC scan, Binance Smart Chain scan. We're going to tap on it. Then we'll be redirected to our BSC scan. Okay, so you can see the token info. These are the numbers of holders. The first wallet here, the Pancake Swap, you can see it here, is holding 28% of this token. You can see another wallet is holding 3%, 2%, 2%, 1%. You can see there is no wallet in this place that is holding large number. Okay, so this 28% is okay. So if you see a token like this with this percent, with this kind of information, you should know that such token is safe to invest, but you should also be careful and invest what you can afford to lose, because this is cryptocurrency. Anything can happen. You can see this is the max supply, this is the total supply. You can see it here. So these are the numbers of holders. 2,820 people are holding this token. So with that being said, we are also going to check this token in a desk screener, okay, with the same address. Okay, here in our desk screener, we are going to come over to this place and search. Just tap on it. Okay, so we are going to paste that contract address in the search bar. Just paste it and search. Okay, you can see X money here. That's the name of the token. So we are going to tap on it. Okay, here in our desk screener application, you can see it. Make sure before you invest in any token, do what I'm doing in this video. Make sure you are doing like this so that you will not end up buying a wrong token, please. So you can see this is where I want you to focus on, where this key is located. Look at that key. That key is fully locked. Look at it very well. This is the liquidity of this token. Anything that has to do with this place, anything that tamper with this place, this token is gone. So that is why you need to make sure that any token you invest, make sure you check if this place is fully locked like this. You can see this token is locked. Okay, it is 100% locked. All right, so that is how you check it. When you scroll down, you see that no issues. You can see all this information here. You can see them here. So as a beginner, before you start investing in crypto, okay, make sure you are doing what I am doing in this video. All right, you can make $500 with your $5 with this kind of method, with this kind of token, because this token is very, very early. Imagine token with 12 zeros. What if it cancels 6 zeros and remains 6 zeros? Do you know how much you will make with your $5? So that is how to make your first $500 in crypto as a beginner. So stop going to exchanges to go and purchase those ones that have already been listed with $1, with 0.9, 0.2. It will be very, very hard for you to make your $500 with that your $5. So making $500 in crypto is very, very simple. Okay, it's very, very simple if you take this step, if you follow this step. Okay, so I will stop here. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on that bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video like this. Okay, thank you and stay safe. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment in the comment section. Drop your question and your thoughts in the comment section. I'm going to take it from there. All right, thank you and stay safe.